Hello guys, welcome back into Quotex Trading YouTube channel where we bring you the latest and most effective trading strategies. So guys, today I will share one of the best working trading strategy. This is alligator trading strategy for the Quotex Trading platform. Whether guys you are a beginner, you are a mediator or you are an experienced trader, by using this trading analysis you can increase your winning ratio and guys you can make huge profit. Okay, so guys, watch this video till the end because in this video I will show you how you can trade by using this strategy for 1 minute, for 2 minutes, and if you want then you can use this strategy for 5 minutes too. Alright, we will do some live trading and guys I will show you both sides of this strategy, like where you have to trade and where you don't need to trade. Alright, because both sides are very important. You have to know where you can take entry and where you have to exit from the market. Alright, but guys, first, if you don't have your Quotex trading account, then you can create your Quotex trading account by using my link given in the description of this video, and you will get $10,000 of demo balance guys. Also, you can join my Telegram channel where I provide you high quality trading signals, and this is totally free of cost, and the link of my Telegram channel is given in the description of this video guys. And still, if you have any query, like you are facing any issue in your deposit, in your withdrawals or in your verification, in loss recovery, anything guys, you can text me on my personal Telegram ID, and link is also there in description. All right, so guys, first we have to understand in very easy way what is alligator. So to do so, click on this indicator section, and in Quotex platform you can see first indicator is alligator. Click on it. So guys, alligator has been applied on my trading chart. Alright, so now first understand what is the alligator, because basic concept must be clear. Alright, so first thing, if you see, there are three lines, and basically these three lines are moving averages. Alright, and namely you can call it lips, jaw, teeth, but we don't need to call this teeth, lips, jaw, because this is too much confusing. Alright, so we can just go and we can change the color of any red line. So I am doing this, and now you can identify there are three lines: green, red and yellow. So we will understand by this way. Alright, so guys, these three lines work together. Alright, and they help us to identify the market trade, and they also confirm us our entry points, and they provide you signal, and they provide you signal for the trend reversal guys. Alright, so if we know all these 3 points, like where we are getting the trade entry points and where market is going to be reversal and what is the trend, these three things are very important for a successful trader, so you must know it. Alright, so now I am going to explain step by step. Alright, so guys, first you have to see where is your yellow line. Alright, so this is your yellow line, and if both your green and your red line like this, if they are above the yellow line. Alright, because guys, see, I am sharing, this is my experience with you, and I will do live trading and you will see the results. Alright, so you have to see your green line is, your yellow line is here, and if both lines green and red are above your yellow line, that means you are getting a trend in upward direction guys. Alright, and on the other hand, if I zoom it like this, so you have to see this is your yellow line, and if both your green and red lines are below this yellow line, that means for this particular time frame your down direction trend is existing there on your trading chart. Alright, so now you know how you can identify the trend. You have to see both lines are there. If your both lines are below your yellow line, then your trend is in down direction. If both lines are above your yellow line, that means your trend is in up direction. And by this way, we are getting a confirmation like if trend is in up direction, then we will try to trade in up direction. And if trend is in down direction, then we will try to trade in down direction. Alright, so now you know first thing. Second thing, guys, alright, how we can get the entries, and where we can trade. Alright, so first for up direction trade, like for up direction trade, we have to see if both lines are crossing each other and coming above the yellow line like this. They are coming, then guys we can trade in up direction. Alright, because trend is also in up direction because both lines are up. But for a sure short trade, we need a crossover and both lines should cross your yellow line as well in up direction. First thing. For a down direction trade, alright, for a down direction confirmation, you can see both line, your green and red line crossed each other. But for a down direction sure short confirmation, we need both line cross this yellow line as well in down direction. If they cross, then we can trade in downward direction. Alright guys, so this is the confirmation for down direction trade. And for reversal, let me tell you for reversal how we can do the market analysis. So guys, understand this is a crossover. At this point you can see this is a crossover, and from this crossover we know that market is going up, as I taught you. Alright, but guys, for always market will not go up. At some point of price, market will reverse, price will fall. Alright, so how we can understand? If both lines are crossing a yellow line and they are going up, and at a certain point, alright, at a certain point, if the distance of red and green line is becoming shorter and if they are crossing, then guys at this point we will not trade in up direction because they crossed each other, and as per my experience they are giving us a signal that market will reverse. This is not 100% sure, but maximum time it will happen guys. Alright, so you have to understand this these basic things guys. These are the basic concepts. Alright, so now here you can see this is your yellow line, both line crossed each other and they again crossed your yellow line in down direction. Market is coming down, but at this point I got to know they are crossing and the distance is becoming shorter. Alright, so now I know this downward direction trend is not going to be exist for a long time, and from this point market is going to reverse guys. Alright, and market is reversing, market is going in up direction. I will show you the pro concept as well guys. Alright, so now basic 3 concepts you got. If you are enjoying the video, if you are getting some knowledge, then hit the like button guys. Alright, so now first let me do some trading for you, then we will show and we will see how we have to be very careful. Now guys, see few things. Here I am going to do it for 1 minute, and guys here you saw guys I took few trades in downward direction. Alright, and guys this is OTC, you can see this is your OTC asset. If I lost this trade guys, then I will show you why I am losing guys, and where you can how you can avoid these losses. Alright, because I am going to share all the pro analysis with you. Alright, so guys, first for a solid entry, for a sure short entry, you need this crossover happened here, and you can try to place your trade as near as possible of this crossover of all these 3 lines guys. And you can see crossover happened here and I am trading here. So the distance you can see, this is too big distance guys. Alright, So what you can do, you can avoid such entries, guys. You will not trade so for the crossover, guys. All right. So this is OTC, market is coming down, and let me find some other asset and I will try to recover my two three trades, guys. And market is coming down, so it's happened, guys. For some time market try to reverse, market try to retracement. All right. And other impact is also here. This is a zone, this is a demanding zone. All right, this is all demanding zone, and market can go back from at any point, guys. All right. So for this clarity and for this confirmation, we can add one parabolic. So I am going to add one parabolic, and now let me find some other set. Okay, this is again too far. All right, crossover happened here, and I could trade here, but this is too long, guys. This is distance, too much distance. All right, so I will not trade, guys. For sure, market can go deep and down, but market can get reverse at any point, because the distance of candle opening and parabolic, as per the parabolic strategy, is decreasing. All right, so let's wait, and hopefully we will make some good trades, and I will try to recover my loss, and I will try to close this. See, one more thing, guys. If you get something like that, not a solid confirmation for a uptrend or for a downtrend, then do not trade, guys. All right, at these points, guys. Okay, so let's wait, guys. All right, after 18 seconds or few seconds, we will try to place our trade in down direction. Let's wait and watch. We will try to place our trade for 2 minutes, and let's see what will happen, guys. All right, so let's wait and watch the result if we trade in down direction. So now, guys, you can see I took few trades in downward direction. All right, 1 2 3 4 $800 I invested for 2 minutes in downward direction. All right, so my logic is very clear, guys. You can see this crossover happen here. All right, of 3 lines, and parabolic is also supporting. So guys, you can see the position of parabolic is above the price. That means parabolic is also indicating us for a downward direction trend, guys. All right, so after getting all 3 confirmation, I am trying to trade in downward direction. And now, guys, let's wait and watch the result of our trades, and hopefully we are going to win. If not, guys, then I will try to recover this loss in front of you, guys. All right, so by using this concept, guys, you can increase your winning ratio, you can increase your winning chance. So sometime it happens, guys, market can get reversal, market can go opposite your trade opening entry or everything, but let's wait and watch and hope for the best, guys, because you can see this candle. Okay, this candle got a big rejection, but let's wait. We have still 23 seconds to get the result of our trade. If I get let's see, guys, let's see what will happen, guys. All right, so concept is quite easy. If crossover is happening here, all right, after crossover, okay, we will try to trade in downward direction, but for our support we need parabolics above the price, guys. All right, and you can see we made a good recovery, guys. All right, so now we will trade for 1 minute, and I will try to place a trade in opposite direction as well, guys. Here you can see, guys, I can try to place our trades in down direction. I'm quite late, but let's see what will happen of these trades, guys. Again, I took a big investment in up direction, guys. So what is the logic, guys? What is the concept? Concept is very simple. You can see first red and green line crossed each other, okay, and the crossover is below your yellow line. This is your yellow line, first confirmation. And second confirmation is After crossing each other, they are crossing your yellow line from down direction to up direction. Okay, so this is your second confirmation. And guys, surely your parabolic is also below the price. That means parabolic is also indicating for up direction trade, guys. All right, so we are getting a up direction trade, and we are getting a up direction trend confirmation, and that's why I took 1 2 3 4 5 trades in up direction, and all trades are won. All right, so guys, by using this concept, you can trade like this, you can make profit like this, you can increase your winning ratio like this. All right, so alligator strategy is quite easy, quite simple, you can use it. But guys, okay, now remember few things. What is the thing? Like this crossover happened, parabolic is supporting, all confirmations you are getting. But if in any case your parabolic or your price or your alligator, if they are not matching what I taught you, then you will not trade, guys. If any indicator, like two conditions you are getting verified but one condition is not verified, then you will not trade, guys, at these points. One more thing, guys, if you want to trade here but you see there is a resistance zone, there is a supply zone, at these points you can also try to avoid your trading, guys. So these are the pro concepts, guys. All right, so if I get a good asset, then let me show you some more trading. Okay, and guys, don't forget to join my Telegram channel, guys, where I provide you high quality trading signals, and these signals are totally free of cost for you. And you can get my Telegram channel link in the description of this video. Even guys, you can also text me over here, guys. This is my personal Telegram ID. Okay, and now guys, you can see this is your parabolic is supporting from down direction to up direction. First confirmation, alligator crossed each other as I taught you, and this is your second confirmation. And price is also supporting, guys. All right, so everything is going good as I taught you, as per our analysis. That's why I took another trade in up direction with a investment of 1 2 3, that means $600. And hopefully, guys, we are going to win our last trade of this video as well. And you can see we made a huge profit and good profit in this trading session. All right, so guys, that's it for today's video, all about the alligator trading strategy for the Quotex trading platform. And guys, I hope you found this information valuable and informative. If you did, guys, then don't forget to hit the like button of this video, guys. And also you have to subscribe my Quotex Trading YouTube channel. And guys, if you have any doubt, like anything, okay, don't forget to comment below of this video. Then next time I will try to sort out whatever you doubt have, guys. All right, and also you can join my Telegram channel, guys. All right, so that's it, guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep earning, and keep trading. Thank you so much.